a great day to visit a modern art exhibition in Warsaw. Let's do it!
Right here in this stunning building are some of the most breathtaking surprises of modern art. Follow me, because what you're about to see is anything but ordinary. This colorful curtain is the first thing I see, a doorway to the magic of the Warsaw Exhibition. This is Re-Enchanting the World by Małgorzata Mirgatas, a tapestry that weaves Romany stories into powerful visual poetry. This part of The Impermanent, this haunting installation uses still figures and threads to evoke memory, silence, and what we leave behind. Here, flowing canvases in vibrant strokes bring abstract emotions to life, part of the impermanent, exploring art's silent yet powerful autonomy. A flickering TV in the corner, simple, quiet, and strangely captivating. Kathy Wilkes' 2014 textile installation, part of the impermanent in Warsaw, transforms old fabric, felt, and knit into a haunting, fragile figure that evokes memory. These suspended scarecrows by Daniel Richarski are part of his 2018-2019 installation exploring themes of exclusion, identity, and quiet resistance. Draped in real clothes and floating in stillness, they reflect the silent weight of social struggle. The building itself is stunning, filled with light, space, and energy. I'm on my way to the next wing of the exhibition. In this part of the impermanent, called Real Abstractions, artists move beyond traditional forms, using raw textures, stitched surfaces, and bold gestures to express emotion without figures or stories. These works invite us to feel rather than interpret. A vast, restless sea, still and powerful, like a frozen moment of emotion. This monumental structure of twisted black steel rises like a frozen explosion, an abstract form that plays with balance, tension, and movement. It feels both heavy and weightless, as if architecture itself had broken free into something raw and expressive. Hanging screens display shifting sound spectrums, a digital landscape where color and waveform merge into immersive audio-visual poetry. This surreal hybrid figure merges military gear, sculpted physique, fast food, and digital accessories, a striking commentary on identity, consumption, and modern excess. So this is how it looks. Unexpected, playful, sometimes unsettling. It left me thinking, and maybe that's the point.
Thanks for everyone who been with me. If you want to see more, subscribe my OnlyFans content. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.